understand. When they think it, you know, in our lock up. So when I went to protest, you go out to one paro. And then one, you're not telling protest. All those things. No more, it was to protest. I go and start from the night we go or shall fee, Baba.
Hello everyone, hello my beautiful people. It's your one and only Lady Joy. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, in today's topic now about that girl for Germany we say they collect a pikin. Now we can't hear the real gist. Now we can't hear what really happened. My darling people, that is why they always talk this thing, say to be a single mother, it not make you the craze. To be a single mother, now the way you tell respect yourself, now another person go to respect you. To be a single mother, it not make you say any man will just toast you, you begin the jogo do one. My darling people, wait till they happen to our guests for Germany. What did they happen to them? Some of the single mother there. What did they happen to now? Why I don't understand. Now una start to be a single mother. We be say una no dey put respect for una body. This girl cry at that day. She dey cry. Hey, Mona Epamo, if they want collect the pikin, no, if she not fit come die in silence, so people call the pity for her. Now the baby father, when he born this last one for now, they say not different men that she born for. This last one now, this one now come cry out, now come talk, say see how everything to happen. My darling people. You know, the first day when I first see that girl, I tell my friend, I say, this girl is a Igbo smoker. The way they look this girl, she dey live wayward life. They don't believe me. Until when this boy come talk how this girl dey rap Igbo. I'm not even surprised because her lips alone say don't show me say this one na Igbo smoker. When I not see her profile for Facebook. When I not see the way she dey throw away her Bobby. So now that you fail know the type of person where she be. More now listen to your baby father. Oh. Hey, my darling people. Things they happen. Wetin make this boy even go toast am? Konji. He said Konji wan finish and he not see woman. Now he see this girl for Facebook go toast and he no say he get 3 children before. Konji not go kill you again, my brother. Konji, he not go kill you.
When the bush get up, make sure that one get up. You have to come anywhere.
Wetin in they talk for here now be say when the girl tell am say in get belle, when the girl wan born for am. So he say in dream, see the pikin. In dream, he say because in tell God say if this pikin na you, may you give am sign. That night he can't dream. See say another man they follow and they drag the pikin. And that time they never born the pikin, no.
I also I understand. When they think it, you know, in our lock up. So when I went to protest, you go out to one paro. And then one, you're not telling protest.
He say come tell am say if you don't born this pikin, we'll go do blood test. The girl say you get money, you will be a duro boy. Where you want for some money, you want to do all those kind of things. And according to this boy, so he said that different guys now they get the joke go with.
I must do a protest. I go start from the night we go or shall fee, Baba.
And this one can't just tire me for his side. Hey, my brother, Konji not go finish with again for this world where you come so. He said this girl get HIV. She get Ugiagbe. Hey, Thank God say she don't even cry. Come on, many of una don't see her face now. Now una can't know if una go dey toast am again o. He say wey doctor dey talk am, they can't carry him go back. They tell him, say this woman get, whether he know, because as he gets this sickness, he no go fit born am for true normal way. Because people wey get HIV, so they no dey born their pikin direct. Because if they born am direct, the pikin fit contact am. You understand? They can't dey tell the boy like that. He said the girl can't say they deny, they lie. He said they have to come refer her to another hospital because she get that virus so that make it not affect the pikin. He said he come dey cry. They tell the girl, say, you want kill me? Why you don't tell me? Say you get this thing. He said the girl no know what he want talk again. You see, they deny. He said the girl tell us, say whether it's easy for somebody to get documents for Europe. In 1 year, documents in so this woman now, so we get that 25 or the 25 June. The episode that 2025 as a born. Why this woman supposed born the 26th? Or 1 week more, 1 week I can't hear now. And we can carry, but there is smoke no man. He say if this girl carry smoke, they smoke today, he will be man. You know the fit challenge, follow the girl do challenge for smoking. The guy say into the smoke to him contact the girl say before you born, may you stop to the smoke. If you don't born, no problem. We will two go to smoke together as a ganja planter people. So now Morocco in pass come. So people wey pass Morocco come that they smoke anyhow. He said as he don't born, they can't do test for him, they can't still do test for a baby. But they tell him say he no contact. Say but he see the fear. Yeah, because people want to fear the devil. This one, we don't go do introduction. This one, so if you want to marry him before, because in two first he get 3 children too. Introduction,
before you pour, you must do introduction. My family is supposed to know your family. I don't know that you be spirit. The people will can't come down. You know, yeah, we already went on marriage. So you finish with us. Okay, Okuna you to Fulina. Masuwa, Matusuwa, the hospital, the room is similar in calling them over here, not so. They are only, or you are fucking here.
Well, the year. The roommate come call am say the senior son, the Jogodo, his small sister. Wow. My darling people, our boys Konji no go finish una again. Una see now say Konji na make this our brother go fall for this kind of woman. Konji na him make am. I just pity for am, sha. I just pity for am make e dey make you know really contact that sickness. I just pity for am. You see our single mother them. I see they come for now because I don't want to make this video too long. I see they come for now. When be say some of una now they give the responsible single mother bad name, and some of una now they do am. They say so don't do what life where she they live. Now you make the collect a pikin from her, but she cry come out that day. They say, hey, Mona help me, oh, Mona not help me, go down. Mona help me, oh. Una don't hear my people. I go come give una another update again. Mona no worry. Mona fair watch this one finish and leave una comment for the comment section. Thank you. Share the video, Let the video go viral because our single mothers them. I don't understand them again. This one now, 4 children, 4 men.